We moved in a couple of years ago, fully intending on doing something with the space. Now that we have a little one, we're realizing how essential it is to get that into a livable area. Let's go. Okay, so just through here and we'll head downstairs. See, right here is where it hits me. It's like the atmosphere changes. You go from a dry, comfortable upstairs to a heavy, damp downstairs. Welcome to my soon to be finished and soon not to be cold and damp basement. This is how we're gonna do it. This DELTA-PROTEC subflooring is going to keep that cool air and dampness down so our feet and the rest of the room stay comfortable and warm. I'll just mention that we've thoroughly cleaned the floor as per the instructions. This is super important. We swept and vacuumed it. This subfloor is made of environmentally friendly polyethylene and won't support any mold growth, but dirt that's left there could, so it's important to get that up. Okay, so installing this is easy, surprisingly easy actually. All you'll need on hand is a tape measure, a utility knife, and a straight edge. There are really just 3 easy steps. The first step is roll out. Make sure the open side of the cups is facing up and just roll it out. Make sure you get it as close to the wall as you can. Then grab your knife and cut. The next step is sealing up the seams. Since we have a vapor barrier on the walls, I've just made sure to lift it and lay it on top of the subfloor, and that'll seal it. Now you just take your Delta moisture proof tape and tape the seams together. This makes the entire floor a vapor barrier, so no dampness or odors can come up from below. And this is one of the things that makes this kind of subfloor better than others. Some subfloors leave these seams unsealed, which makes them act like a vent for any moisture underneath, which is exactly what you don't want, unless you like drafts and mold smells. This will also keep your floor from getting damaged by that moisture. Now we have to read some flooring instructions. Once we're done that, we just have to install the laminate. So yay, we did it! It was so easy. I think the hardest part was picking the floor. So it was a breeze. We highly recommend it.